Happy Tune Fun Club en win prizes in the birthday draw.
Want dese week wen elk van ons gelukkige verjaarsdagmeisies my eerste Cindy-pop. Is sy nie pragtig nie?
Boys win Jack Bennett and the evil Dr. Scarab. They're at your toy store now.
My computer is ready to draw, and here we go.
Bleep, Catherine Metcalf, age 8. Kira Cannon, age 8. Jalassen Chetty, age 12. Kirsten Schubach, age 12. Janine George, age 11. And Dougie Asbury, ouderdom 8.
Veel geluk aan al julle gelukkige wenners.
Members to send good color photos.
And where do you find application forms? In every 100 milliliter pack of Colgate gel. So don't miss out on the fun. You could be next week's winner.
Onthou al julle plaagvasters, selfs Colgate tandeborstels word moeg. Vervang jou tandeborstel elke 3 maande vir 'n skitterende Colgate glimlag. Sal die akelige dokter die kei verwoes.
Defeat evil Professor Clark and blast their foul cavity cave. Join the